Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in NX tribe. This is the detail drawing. Okay, let's start. First we need to create actual future, so we select XY plane. We need to create a rectangle. Constrain the sketch. Midpoint on X. Horizontal line on Y. Make dimension 129. Here 96. Sorry, it's wrong. It's 136. Finish. The distance is 16. Okay. Next we need palette. Edge blend, select this full edge. The dimension 12mm. Okay. Next we need shell. Select this face and this face. The dimension is 6.6. Okay. PC. Next we need to create this ferret for edge blend. So we need to create face blend. Then 3 face. Select the first face. We need tangent face, this, and the second face, the middle face. Okay, nice. Next we need to create this tube. Okay, we first need to create we need to create datum plane. Select XZ plane. Then we need the dimension 17.2. Okay, create the datum plane. Next, extrude. Select the datum plane. Then we create the sketch. We need the middle, so create the intersection code. Select this face. You see, we create the reference line. Okay. Select this and convert to reference. This point onto this line and make dimension is 3.3. Okay. This the dimension 129.4. We need to fillet the sketch. Oh, sorry. Undo. Fillet. Constrain to arc equal. And the dimension is 3 millimeter, and the length is 12 millimeter. Constrain the line to equal. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained. We leave finish the sketch. Consult. Yes. Next we need select surface and tuber. Select this sketch, and the dimension is 3.8 unit. Okay. Next we select the tuber and partner feature. The length Y reversed direction, and the span dimension 72 and 5. We review the result. Okay, nice. Next we need to create this tuber two-sided. We need to create another data template, media data template. Here, select these two faces. We create this data template. Next, create a sketch. We need to create a rectangle and select this edge. Edge convert reference point on Z and fillet constraint to arc equal. $3 and this dimension 74. Constraint this point on 12mm. Okay, finish the sketch. Consult. Yes. Use the surface tuber unit. Okay. Next, select tuber. Mirror the future. So, home. Mirror future. We need select X Z plane. Okay. Perfect. Next, we need to create this pocket feature. So, extrude, select this face, and we create a rectangle. Constraint to this line. Make dimension 16.4. This point on this big enough 15. Finish. Reverse the direction. The distance we need until next Boolean subtract. Okay. Next we need to create this set 2 hole. So actually select this face and create 2 circle. Make dimension is pointer on this point. 5mm. And the circle diameter 5mm. we need middle the code. Select the circle, middle X, these two circle distance 40, finish. Reverse the direction, Boolean subject. Okay. We need hide the datum play and the origin datum play. Change the appearance. Okay, we finished the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.